Hello friends, in today's video, we will discuss DIY keratin hair treatment for hair straightening. For the treatment, you will need to prepare keratin cream, which will be divided into two mixtures A and B for the process. For mixture A, you will need 5 okras and a cup of water. Cut okra into small pieces and transfer it into 1 cup of water. Boil water for 10 minutes on low flame. Make sure to keep stirring while on the stove. When you get sticky consistency, turn off the flame. Let the mixture cools down and transfer it into electric mixer. Blend the mixture, which will result it into paste consistency. Now take a muslin cloth or gauze to filter out the mixture. This will form mixture A. For mixture B, you will need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1/4 cup of water. Add cornstarch into water and mix well to avoid any lumps. Now take a large saucepan and combine mixture A and B. Place it on the stove and heat it to thick the mixture. Stir continuously to avoid any lumps. Keep heating until it takes the cream-like consistency. Now turn off the flame and let it cool down. Filter this cream to avoid any chunk or large piece. This is the resulted amazing natural keratin cream. Now for the application, you need to section your hair. Well comb your hair and apply the mixture starting from roots to down length of the hair. Leave the keratin cream in your hair for about 2 hours. Now wash your hair with a sulfate-free shampoo to get straight, frizz-free and smooth hair. Repeat the procedure twice a week for the permanent and better results. For chemical-free hair straightening. And this is it for today's video. Hope you liked the video. If so, give it a huge thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.